Hi friends, Ali here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your easy breezy beanie two-toned. I changed the color for this one about 2/3 of the way up, but you can change the color wherever you want. This is just a nice variation from the solid colored beanies, and there's so many fun color combos you can try. I won't be giving full instructions on how to make the beanie, but I will leave links down below for all of my easy breezy beanies tutorials if you want to check those out. So if you're ready to get started, grab your supplies and let's get making. So following along with any of the easy breezy patterns, if your size calls for an even number of rows, you're going to start off with the top color and work 1/3 of the chains. And if it calls for an odd number of rows to work, then you're going to start with the bottom color and work 2/3 of the chains. So I'm going to start off my chain using the top color, and I'm going to chain about 1/3 of the total chains this size calls for. To change colors, I'm going to drop my current color and pick up the second color. I'm going to pull through the chain and finish off the rest of the chains with the new color. So here is our chain, and now we're going to turn and start row 1. So starting in the second chain from the hook, I'm going to half double crochet across until I reach the top color. So I'm on the last stitch before the color change, so I'm going to start my half double crochet as normal, except on the final pull through I'm going to drop my current color behind and pick up the second color. Then finish the final pull through with the second color, and then just continue row 1 by working a half double crochet into each chain across. So this is what we're looking like at the end of row 1. Our right side has a nice seamless color change. So now we'll chain 1 and turn, and for row 2 we'll half double crochet in the back loop only across until we reach our next color. I'm on the last stitch before the color change, so I'm going to start my half double crochet as normal, and then on the final pull through I'm going to drop my current color in front and pick up the new color to do the final pull through with the new color. Then continue to half double crochet in the back loop only all the way across. So now we're at the end of row 2, and this is the wrong side of our hat where you can see the floats from our color change, and then this is the right side, which will be the outside of our hat and has the seamless color change. So now you know how to change the color, you can continue on with the pattern. Just remember to drop your yarn behind when you're on the right side and drop in front when you're on the wrong side. So carry on and I'll meet up with you on the last row. So I just finished my last row, and this is what it's looking like now. And now we're going to seam together the two ends. So we're going to fold it in half, bringing the two short ends together. And you want the wrong side to be facing out and the right side to be facing in. So now we're going to attach these two ends together. So insert your hook into the chain that we started at the beginning, and then in the last row we worked, you want to work in the back loop only, and you're going to slip stitch. And we're going to do this all the way up. So using the yarn you have attached now, go through the chain and then in the back loop only from the last row we worked. And you're going to do this all the way up until we reach our color change. So when you come to the last stitch before the color change, you're going to insert your hook as normal into the chain and then into the last row we worked. You're going to drop your current color and then pull through with the new color to finish that slip stitch. And then you can continue on with the new color all the way across. So now that we're all done, we can cut off our yarn. So we ended at the top of our hat. So you want to make sure that you leave this top color, you leave a very long tail so that you can weave it around the top to cinch the top of our hat. So leave a long tail with the top color, and then you can cut the second color, leave a few inches so that you can weave in that end. So you want to weave in all of your tail ends on the wrong side, so the side that's facing out right now. Weave in all your ends, and then you can flip your hat right side out when you're done. So I just cinched up the top and weaved in all of the ends, so now I'm going to flip it right side out and fold up the brim. So now you can add a matching pom if you'd like, or just leave it as is. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to tag me on Instagram so I can see what color combinations you come up with. Again, I'll leave links to all of my Easy Breezy tutorials down below. You can also find the free patterns on my blog, whoshomemade.com. Thank you guys so much for following along, and I'll see you next time.